cold. It's alright, okay. Not very well. Got a sore head. A headache. Oh, you've got a bit of a temperature there. I heard you coughing in the night. Okay, honey. Oh, you won't be going to school today, will you? I'll give them a ring and I'll go and get some things to make you feel a little bit more comfortable. Okay? Won't be long. Put you a bowl of water and flannel so that I can give you a bit of a sponge and cool that temperature down. And I've got some medicine and a thermometer and some cough drops. Some throat lozenges, I should say. Okay, I want to take your temperature first, okay? Yeah. Now you know the routine, don't you? I've done this before. Now, sweetie, put it under your tongue. Open. That's it, under your tongue. Close your mouth. You have got a bit of a temperature. It's not too hot though. Not enough for you to go to the doctor's just yet, I don't think. We'll see if we can get that temperature down for you though, huh? Hey? Oh, something going around school at the moment. Jamie was off sick the other day. Ah, I see. So there is. Okay. Right, well, I'll tell you what we'll do. This nice lukewarm water here. Not too cold. We don't want it too cold. Get you chilled. Okay, sweetie. I'm just going to wipe your face and your cheeks. The side of your head. Is it nice and cool? Yeah? Thought you were a little bit pale at dinner time last night. That's why you're coming down with a bug. Shut your eyes, sweetie. Try to relax. No. Or a headache too, huh? Okay. Give you some Pamol. Let's see if we can get the fever down and get rid of your headache. Okay. It's not very nice when you're not feeling well, is it? No. The cough is getting bad too. Thought I heard you coughing in the night. I was going to come through, but then you settled down again, so I left you to sleep. Maybe I should have come and checked on you, huh? No, you did go back to sleep. Okay, sweetie. Nice. Your chest. Yeah, your face. One side. Forehead. Put in the water again, huh? Okay, it's okay. Don't get upset. Oh, you had something special planned at school today. For your show and tell. What were you going to show and tell? Ah, your new Lego. Your Star Wars one. You're looking forward to when this new Star Wars movie comes out, aren't you? Yeah? And we'll all go as a family, because I think I'd like to see it too. You know, Mummy remembers when she actually went to the first Star Wars movie that ever came out. And I was only young then. Oh, I didn't tell you that. No, I was very much fun. Well, it was cool. It was great. I'll tell you what, if you're feeling a little bit better later on, how about I get the DVD out and you can watch it? How's that sound? You'd like that? Okay. But for now, my dear, I think it's time you had some medicine. Yes, I know you don't like it, but I think it would be a very, very, very good idea. Well, there's not much left, so I might have to get you some more. Just shake up. Hammer and get your fever down. Okay. Okay. See? You smell cherry flavour. Like cherries? Chew. Okay, it says on here we need to give you 10 mils. Okay, sweetie. Stop pulling faces, it's not that bad. Quickly, drink it down. That's it. Oh, well done. Want me to wipe your head again? Okay. I've got some lozenges here. You have a sore throat, you said? Yeah? Okay. Got some nice lozenges here for you to have. Wipe your head just a little bit more. Front on your neck. Nice and cooling. Your cheeks. Close your eyes for a minute if you want. Feel nice. Yeah. You can always take your Star Wars Lego to show until next week, because you'll be fine by then, I think. You'll be back to your normal self, running around and being silly. Yeah? Let's get you that cough lozenge. Well, it's not a cough lozenge, it's for sore throats. What am I saying? Lemon and honey. Yum. I like lemon and honey when I'm not beehives. Remember when we went to visit the beehives? You were scared and wouldn't go too close. Mind you shouldn't get too close anyway and let them be busy doing their work. Anyway, get one of these out. Look, they're like lollies. Except they're better than lollies because they help you. Yeah? No, it's there. Get one out for you. Oh, sorry, it was a bit loud. Sorry, darling. It'll be a headache. Here, do you have that? Right? Nice? Cool. That should help get the sore throat a little bit, or at least relieve it a bit. Okay. Right. Well, what I have here. See that? It's one of your favourite books. The Selfish Giant by Oscar Wilde. You like that book, don't you? Hey? I've got to go and give the other kids their breakfast soon. But I'm not going to read it to you at the moment. I will read it to you later on. But you know how you like the giant. When he was grumpy. Okay. So the children. One time. Good. Lovely pictures in this book. Oh dear. He doesn't look very happy. He looks sad like you are at the moment. Boy. Giant with the axe. You're going to look forward to me reading this to you later, aren't you? Mind you, you've heard it a lot of times, so you know how it goes. But I'll read that to you later on, okay? But I need to go and get the other children ready for school now. Okay, sweetheart? And you shut your eyes. And you shut your eyes. That's it. Just lie there. Be quiet. Shut your eyes. Okay. You sleep for a little while, eh? Sleep's the best thing when you're not feeling well. Your body heals when you're asleep. Okay? I'll go and get everyone else ready for school, and I'll be enough to see you after. Okay? You have a sleep for now, though.